Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here is your daily technical analysis of Brent crude oil and spot gold.
ICE Brent crude oil futures. A key reversal up yesterday, which wasn't that hard to do as the previous session was an indecisive spinning top. It was the highest high and high close since February, closing over once more the mauve medium moving average, currently at 74.33, as well as over once again the dark blue upper time, currently at 74.36, of the showrunner for this market since last summer, the broken, now repaired, now once again breached, April to July 2024 bearish shift pitchfork. This upper time is also melded in since late February with the declining short medium moving average, currently 74.11. However, whilst piercing the overhead resistance provided by the important bright red neckline, currently at 75.21, of the big picture action since early September last year, and that's of the September to November 2024 head and shoulders continuation pattern, whilst piercing it, there was no close over it. This head and shoulders continuation pattern, along with the peak in January, can all be seen as a possible, if lopsided, bearish cat's ears pattern. And the market tested the resistance once more and decided not to push up through it. This bearish cat's ears pattern gives up a significant target X1 down in the 64 even zone. Personally, I had thought this might be a bit of a stretch, but until the last couple of weeks or so, it still showed up as a possibility. Further down, we have the 50% absolute Fibonacci line at 73.73 and the May 2019 high at 73.38 in a small congestion zone, plus a congestion zone further down between 71.29 to 72.29, consisting of highs and lows from 2019, 2020 and 2023. Now, so far today, a gapping open lower since filled in, but prices are nicely bracketed right now between the overhead 73.38 congestion area to 73.38 to 73.73 congestion area and the 71.29 to 72.29 congestion zone below. Spot gold. An immediate countering bullish engulfing pattern yesterday after the previous session's reactionary bearish dark cloud cover pattern. Overall, prices continue to move up nicely within the dark blue early January to late February bullish Andrews pitchfork. It's really a really nice pitchfork there, which has shown the bullish angle attack of this market since late February. We are in between the middle time below, currently at 30.92, and the upper time above, currently at 31.69. As I've said throughout the last 3 weeks when looking at the recent action, I saw a pattern here of an early January to date bullish half hesitation with potential up as far as target X in the 31.50 area. I also said yesterday we had just about reached that target area. Interestingly, the 50% projected Fibonacci line at 31.26 did not provide much resistance this time, as prices closed over it for an all-time high close. Now, as I have said previously many times, I also noted the smaller bullish half hesitation formed over March, which has an even higher target X1 up in the 32.31 area. Now, so far today, I follow on higher through the 31.50 area and peaking, and unsurprisingly, at the combination of the dark blue upper time and newer projected 50% projected Fibonacci line up at 31.69 before coming back down. It was nevertheless a new all-time high today.
Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives the essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted both at the front and at the back of this broadcast. Copyright is Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final important bit.